The Bureau of Education and the Ministry of Interior, Division for Emergency Situations and Civil Security, in cooperation with UNICEF, are implementing a project entitled Emergency Preparedness, Response, and Disaster Risk Reduction in Montenegro. The goal of the project is to provide necessary knowledge to pupils, students, and teachers, and offer explanations on how to act in order to reduce the impact of natural disasters. Within this project, which is financed by USAID, OFDA, and supported by UNICEF, more than 80 municipal employees, community representatives, NGO staff, and school authorities will participate in a number of children and DRR workshops to create general awareness on the needs of reducing risks from fire, earthquakes, and floods, with a focus on school safety.
U Crnoj Gori vanredne situacije najčešće su vezane za razorne zemljotrese, klizišta, poplave, snježne lavine, požare i druge velike prirodne nesreće. Cilj obrazovanja za reagovanje u vanrednim situacijama jeste da učenici uče određene sadržaje i izgrađuju potrebne vještine za adekvatno reagovanje u vanrednim situacijama.
In 5 selected pilot schools in Ulcinj, Berane, Bar, Kotor, and Podgorica, non-structural and structural vulnerability risk assessments and action plans will be prepared by a group of experts and in close cooperation and participation of children, teachers, and parents. The work on preparation of the school program on DRR was initiated upon research conducted among pupils and teachers about their knowledge and practices in regard to natural hazards and ability to react in schools.
Mi imamo veoma ograničeno obrazovanje što se tiče prirodnih nepogoda. Znam po mojim vršnjacima, njima je to u stvari ništa specijalno, ništa posebno, ali kad se to desi onda su svi u velikoj panici.
Ukoliko je i učenik i profesor obrazovan i zna šta uraditi u određenoj situaciji, sigurno će biti manje panike, manje problema.
This project represents UNICEF's first engagement in DRR in Montenegro and addresses major natural hazards risk, emergency preparedness response, and disaster risk reduction in the education sector.
Focusing primarily on education sector, the program is enhancing national policies and capacities to better implement and integrate elements of risk reduction within existing education curricula, teacher training, and day-to-day management of schools.
In September 2012, UNICEF and the US government decided to support Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Moldova in a program to implement disaster risk reduction in schools, in line with the aspirations of the Hyogo Framework for Action, or HFA. The HFA is a 10-year plan to make the world safer from natural hazards. It was endorsed by the UN General Assembly following the 2005 World Disaster Reduction Conference.